Hello and welcome back. Just a quick reminder before we get started to please do like and subscribe and share with someone else who you think might enjoy this content. That all really helps the channel out. So we're doing puzzle 130 today. And let's start with this box. Looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 2. No help here, so 1, 2, 4, a 2 here, so 1, 4. This column then is also missing 1, 4, but we've got a 1 there. So this is our 4 and our 1, and that 1 makes this our 2 and our 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 5 and 8. We've got a 1 and a 5 here, so this is our 8. This 5 means this is our 1 and 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 7, no help here, 6, 7, 9. And no help here, 6, 7, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 6 here. So this is our 1. That 6 means this is our 9 and 6. If we look at this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 5, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 3, 7. The 5 here, so 3, 7. That means our 5 has to be here. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 7, 8. Got the 1 there, so 7, 8. A 1 there, so 7, 8. So our 1 has to be here. That 1 makes this our 8 and 1. If we look at this box, looks like we're missing 3, 7, and 8. 8 can't be here or here, so it's got to be here. I don't see any other help, so 3, 7, 3, 7. If we look at this box, looks like we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 3, 7. 2 here, so 3, 4, 7. No help here, so 2, 3, 4, 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 8. Got an 8 here, so 2, 3, 7. 2 here, so 3, 7, 8. 2 here, and no other help, so 3, 7, 8. Let's work on this row. Looks like we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 7, 9. 9 and a 6 here, oh, and a 2 here. So this is our 7, and that 2 and 9 means this is our 6. And that 6 and 7 make this our 9 and our 2. So then we can get rid of this 9, this 2, this 7. Oh, but that 7 comes down here and makes this our 3 and 7. So that 3 then makes this our 2. And this 7 means we can get rid of these 2 7s. So the only place the 7 can be in that box is here. So that 2 and 7 come over here, make this our 3. And that 3 makes this our 8, 3. And that 7 makes this our 8. And we can come back here, get rid of our 3s. So this has to be our 7, and that makes this our 4, and this our 2. And this 3 makes this our 7 and 3. So for this column then we're missing a 1, and to finish out this box we're missing a 5. For this column then we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. And then to finish this out, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.